Real-world linear inequalities. Underneath each symbol are some of the words to help you understand which symbol to choose when you see these words in real-world problems. First example, a local theater has a maximum capacity of 1,000 people. For their latest production, adult tickets cost $25 and youth tickets cost $12.50. The theater must make at least $15,000 for the show to go on. So the words "at least" let me know which symbol I need to use, which is the greater than or equal to symbol. Write an equality that represents all possible combinations the theater can sell of X adult tickets and Y youth tickets. So I know that X represents the adult tickets and Y represents the youth tickets. So to write my inequality, adult tickets cost $25, so that would be 25X. Youth tickets cost $12.50, so that would be $12.50Y. And together would give the total price, so I know it's going to be 25X plus $12.50Y, and it's greater than or equal to 15,000. So that would be my inequality. Example 2. Rob works part-time at the Fallbrook riding stable. He makes $5 an hour exercising horses and $10 an hour cleaning horse stalls. Rob must make no less than $60 per week. So no less than tells me which symbol I can use, which is going to be the greater than or equal to. Write an inequality that represents all possible combinations of hours Paul must work for X exercising horses and Y cleaning stalls. Exercising horses is $5 an hour, which is 5X. Cleaning stalls is $10 an hour, which is 10Y. And if I add them together, I know that I can be greater than or equal to the total, which is $60. So this would be the inequality. Example 3. In order to save money for prom this weekend, Tom is going to walk his neighbor's dog for $6 per hour and wash cars for $7.50 per hour. If Tom would like to make at most $75 to cover prom dresses, help him determine all possible combinations he can work between X, dog walking, and Y, washing cars. At most would be the symbol less than or equal to. And I know that X is dog walking, Y is washing cars. And for dog walking, he gets $6 per hour, which is 6X. And he gets $7.50 per hour for washing cars, which is 7.50Y. So if I add those together, I know that at most he would be making $75 to cover his prom expenses. Next example. A certain music club charges an annual membership fee of $50. In return, its members will be able to buy and download songs at a very low cost of 13 cents each. Write an equality to determine how many songs Marcy can buy if her annual music budget is less than $125. So I know that less than is telling me which symbol to use, which is the less than symbol. I also know that there's a fee of $50. Whenever it's a fee, it's a one-time fee, so I know I'm just adding the $50 one time. Then when it says 13 cents each, I know that that's being multiplied by X, and it has to be less than $125. Example 5. The larger number is at least 8 less than 3 times the smaller number. Write inequality to determine what the value of the smaller number is if the larger one is 592. So at least tells me which symbol to use, which is greater than or equal to. 8 less than means minus 8. 3 times the smaller number, which we don't know what the smaller number is 3X. And we know that the larger number is 592, which is what the right side would be. Last example. A certain cell phone company has a monthly base charge of $14.99 plus 5 cents per minute used. Dwayne's monthly budget for cell phone expenses is $62.75. Write inequality to determine how many minutes he can use his maximum budget. Well, maximum means less than or equal to. And a base charge is just like a fee, which means it's one time. So it's $14.99. Then it says plus 5 cents per minute. Per means times X, so that's 0.05X. And 62.75 is the total, which goes on the right. So that would be our inequality.